If you want youthful, glowing skin, you don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines. The secret? It's all about simple, effective habits that keep your skin healthy, radiant, and full of life. Whether you're looking to slow down aging, improve your complexion, or just take better care of your skin, these 10 powerful tips will transform your routine and help you achieve that ageless glow. Stay tuned because, at the end of this video, I'll also be sharing 5 must-have skincare products that can take your results to the next level. Let's dive in. The first and most important step in maintaining youthful skin is protecting it from the sun. You can spend hundreds of dollars on fancy creams, but if you're not wearing sunscreen daily, you're undoing all that effort. UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, leading to wrinkles, dark spots, and loss of elasticity. The fix? Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single day, even if you're indoors or it's cloudy. And if you're spending time outside, make sure to reapply every 2 hours and wear hats or seek shade when possible. Your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk about hydration, both inside and out. Drinking enough water flushes out toxins, keeps your skin plump, and prevents dryness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and avoid overloading on dehydrating drinks like alcohol and caffeine. But hydration doesn't stop with drinking water, you need to lock in moisture with the right skincare. Using a hydrating serum or moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin will help keep your skin soft, supple, and glowing. If you're constantly feeling tired, it's not just affecting your energy, it's showing up on your face too. Getting enough sleep is like giving your skin a reset button. During deep sleep, your body repairs damage, produces collagen, and restores hydration levels. Skipping sleep leads to dark circles, puffiness, and a dull complexion, making you look older than you are. To wake up with fresh, youthful skin, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. What you put inside your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. A healthy, nutrient-rich diet can give you that lit-from-within glow. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish helps protect your skin from damage, reduces inflammation, and boosts collagen production. Try to avoid excessive processed foods, sugar, and greasy fast food, which can contribute to breakouts and dullness. Your skin reflects your diet, so feed it the good stuff. Skincare products can work wonders, but only if you're using the right ones. Avoid harsh, overly drying products that strip your skin of natural oils. Instead, look for gentle, nourishing formulas that protect and hydrate your skin barrier. Ingredients like niacinamide, ceramides, and aloe vera are excellent for keeping your skin balanced and resilient. And whatever you do, never skip moisturizer. No matter your skin type, even oily skin needs hydration. A consistent exercise routine does more than keep you fit, it's also a game changer for your skin. When you work out, your blood circulation increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This helps give your skin a healthy, natural glow while also flushing out toxins that can cause breakouts. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement daily, whether it's yoga, jogging, or even a simple walk outside. The benefits go beyond your skin, you'll feel better overall. If you're serious about keeping your skin youthful, avoid smoking at all costs. Smoking speeds up skin aging by breaking down collagen and restricting blood flow, leading to wrinkles, dull skin, and sagging, and the effects show up much faster than you think. Quitting smoking isn't just great for your lungs and heart, it's one of the best things you can do for your skin's health and longevity. Stress might be an unavoidable part of life, but too much of it can wreak havoc on your skin. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can cause breakouts, redness, and premature wrinkles. To keep your skin calm and glowing, find ways to manage stress, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or simply taking a break from screens. A relaxed mind leads to healthier skin, so make self-care a priority. One of the biggest skincare mistakes people make is not exfoliating properly. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, allowing your skincare products to work more effectively and giving you that fresh, bright complexion. But be careful, over-exfoliating can cause irritation and dryness. Stick to exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week using a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant like AHAs or BHAs, depending on your skin type. In today's world, pollution is everywhere, and it can take a serious toll on your skin. Airborne toxins, dirt, and free radicals lead to premature aging, clogged pores, and dullness. To protect your skin, try to limit exposure to pollution when possible, cleanse your face thoroughly every night, and use antioxidant-rich skincare products like vitamin C or vitamin E to help neutralize damage. Your skin acts as a shield, so give it the extra protection it needs. Now that you know the 10 essential skincare habits for youthful, radiant skin, let's talk about 5 must-have products that can elevate your routine. First up is the TrueSkin Vitamin C Serum, packed with antioxidants to brighten and firm the skin while reducing fine lines. If you need a good sunscreen, La Roche-Posay Mineral Sunscreen offers broad-spectrum protection while minimizing pores and imperfections. For added hydration, Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow Infusion Drops help brighten skin tone and provide long-lasting moisture. If you're looking for a powerful anti-aging cream, Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream is an excellent choice with hyaluronic acid and aminopeptides to plump and firm the skin. And for those struggling with dark circles and puffiness, Bay Body Eye Gel with hyaluronic acid and cucumber extract works wonders. These products are highly rated and loved by people who have seen real results. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require consistency. Following these 10 tips and choosing high-quality skincare products can help you maintain healthy, glowing skin for years to come. Which of these tips do you already follow, and which one are you going to start today? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a skincare update. I post new content every week to help you get your best skin ever, so stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing.